Hey Cougs, tonight we're here in Banks for a cherry-themed event put together by Campus Life with a hand-picked cherry-exciting itinerary. If you got here early, you were in luck because you got to walk away with one of these adorable water bottles. But before you leave, you got a chance to fill them with freshly made sodas of either Cherry Coke or Shirley Temples crafted by yours truly, the Cougar Activity Council. You can pair your drinks with either mini cherry or mini strawberry pies straight from the oven and top it off with cookies and cream ice cream. I'll cheers to that combo. Moving on from the sweet treats to the even sweeter crafts, there's a make-your-own keychain station where you can pick out charms and sparkles to fill in a letter of your choosing. The resin set quickly and everybody was able to take them within minutes. Another fun craft they had was bedazzling your own magnet. There were so many cute options to go with and a rainbow selection of colored gems. An activity both relaxing and fun at the same time. Last but not least, there was a free raffle for attendees to enter, and the prize was this trendy neon cherry sign, a perfect decoration to light up your dorm room. Since cherries are the main topic of the night, we asked students what comes to mind when they think of or hear the word cherries.
When I hear the word cherry, I think of summer.
When I hear the word cherry, I think of Shirley Temples.
When I hear the word cherry, I think of sweet.
When I think of cherries, I think of Shirley Temples.
When I think of cherries, I usually think of ice cream or milkshake toppings.
When I hear the word cherries, I think of Harry Styles.
When I hear the word cherries, I think of Summer Fridays.
When I hear cherry, I think of Shirley Temples.
When I think of cherries, I think of Cherry Coke.
When I think of cherries, I think of red.
When I think of cherries, I think of chapstick.
When I think of cherries, I think of Shirley Temples.
There is never a boring day here at Misericordia with these fun pop-up events happening all around campus, and this one was definitely the cherry on top of the week. Hope to see you all at the next one. Roll Cougs!